Hello, my dear students. Lucas Commerce Academy, the power of accounting welcomes you. Today, as a part of depreciation, let us discuss sale of asset under fixed installment method. Sometimes the asset may be sold after using for some period. The asset may be sold in the middle of the any year or at the end of the any year. When the asset is sold, we are going to pass journal entry. The journal entry for sale of asset is cash or bank account debtor to asset account. Then ascertain the profit or loss on sale of asset. Such profit or loss should be transferred to profit and loss account. In case of profit, the journal entry is asset account debtor to profit and loss account. In case of loss, profit and loss account debtor to asset account. Okay, good. So this can be explained by taking one example. See, on 1st January 2020, on 1st January 2020, Suma purchased a furniture for rupees 80,000. Depreciation is provided 10% per annum annually under SLM, means straight line method. On 31st December 2022, on 31st December 2022, furniture was sold for rupees 40,000. Show the furniture account assuming that books are closed on 31st December every year. So this is the most important, when the books are closed. So first we have to decide that one. Already told you. So this is the very important thing. Okay, good. So here asset is purchased on 1st January 2020. It is used in 2020, 21 and 22. As on 31st December 2022, the furniture was sold for rupees 40,000. So we have to prepare furniture account from the date of purchase to the date of sale. Okay. So what is the accounting treatment in case of sale? Let us discuss at that point. Okay, good. Come to preparation of furniture account. On 1st January 2020, Suma purchased a furniture for rupees 80,000. The journal entry for this is furniture account debtor to cash or bank account or to bank account. So once again, the journal entry for this is furniture account debtor to bank account. So 1/1/2020. So to bank account. Okay, 80,000. Okay. So then no further transaction between 1/1/2020 to 31st/12/2020. Okay, good. So that means we are going to provide depreciation on 31st December 2020. So the entry for this is depreciation account debtor to furniture account. In furniture account credit side, 31st/12/2020 by depreciation account. So we are following fixed installment method. 80,000 into 10 by 100, 8,000. Okay, so this is the depreciation for first year. Then balance furniture account. So 80,000, the same is transferred to this side. 80,000, then on the same date by balance C by D. So from 80,000 deduct 8,000. So the answer is 872,000. So then the same amount brought forward to next period. So 1/1/2021. So to balance B by D, 72,000. Okay. Then no further transaction takes place between 1/1/2021 to 31/12/2021. Hence, depreciation provided on 31st December 2021. So, credit side 31/12/2021. So, by depreciation account. Same. We are following fixed installment method. Same amount of depreciation should be taken. So 8,000. So then balance 72,000. 72,000. Same date by balance C by D. So 72 minus 64,000. Okay. Good. 64,000. Then the same balance brought forward to next period. So that means 1/1/2022 to balance B by D 64,000. 2022 is the special for us because the asset has been sold for rupees 40,000. The asset has been sold for rupees 40,000. So when the asset is sold, certain procedure is there. We should follow that procedure. So in the year of sale, we have to follow three steps. Step 1, calculate depreciation from the commencement of that year to the date of sale. Once again, step 1, calculate depreciation from the beginning of that year to the date of sale. So when the sale is made on 31st December, that means 31/12/2022. So calculate depreciation from the commencement of 2022 to the date of sale. That means 1 year. And from 1/1/2022, 31/12/2022, 1 year, we provide depreciation for 1 year. So by depreciation, 8,000. Okay. So once again, in the year of sale, we follow three steps. Step 1, calculate depreciation from the commencement of that year to the date of sale. So that means we provide depreciation from 1/1/2022 to 31/12/2022. So that means 1 year. So 8,000 is the depreciation. So the second step is pass journal entry for sale of asset. The journal entry for this is cash or bank account data to furniture account. Furniture account credit side by cash or bank account. Cash or bank account. Bracket sale of asset. How much? 40,000. Okay. Then third step is ascertain the profit or loss by balancing this account. Okay. So check. So debit side is more 64,000. Then transfer to this side 64,000. So from 64,000 deduct 48,000. So the difference is 16,000. Okay, 64,000 second and third year. 64,000 minus 48,000. Yes, 16,000. So this 16,000 loss by P&L account bracket transfer or loss 16,000. Okay. So in the year of sale, we have to follow three steps. Step 1, calculate the depreciation from the commencement of that year to the date of sale. Second step, then make journal entry for sale of asset. That means cash or bank account data to furniture account. Then ascertain the profit or loss as balancing figure of furniture account. So that means debit side is more totaled up. Then same is transferred to this side. From 64,000 deduct 8,000 and 40,000. The resulting figure is 16,000. Okay. So which is loss, which is transferred to the profit and loss account. So the profit or loss can be calculated by way of working note. So the working note like this. First to take cost of asset. Okay. So cost of asset how much? 80,000. Then calculate total depreciation from the purchase of the asset to the date of sale. Once again, calculate total depreciation from the date of purchase of asset to the date of sale. So that means depreciation for 2020 full year 8,000, depreciation for 2021 full year 8,000. So depreciation for 2022 full year. So that means 24,000. So this 24,000 should be deducted from cost of asset. So the resulting figure is 56,000. So this 56,000 is the book value as on the date of sale. As on the date of sale. So this is the book value as on the date of sale. Okay. So this is the book value as on the date of sale or value just before sale. So just before sale, the asset value in our books is 56,000. So if the asset is sold for rupees 56,000, then no profit and no loss. If the asset is sold more than 56,000, then profit. If the asset is sold less than 56,000, then we get loss. Okay. So how much sale of asset? So from this deduct sale of asset. Okay. Sale of asset 40,000. So the resulting figure is 16,000, which is to be taken as a loss. Okay. So as per our books, the furniture 56,000. But furniture is sold for rupees 40,000. So we get loss, that is 16,000. So this 16,000 should be equal to this one. Okay. So this is the procedure for doing problem under fixed installment method in case of sale of asset. Okay, got it. My dear students, a small request for you. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్లో రిలేటివ్స్లో చాలామంది అకౌంటింగ్ అండ్ కామర్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళకి మన ఛానల్ గురించి తప్పనిసరిగా తెలియజేయండి. మన ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయమని చెప్పండి, షేర్ చేయమని చెప్పండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల నాకు కొంత ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్గా ఉంటుంది, మరిన్ని వీడియోలు తీయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో లెట్ మీ గివ్ యూ రీక్యాప్. In the year of sale, we have to follow 3 steps. Step 1, calculate depreciation from the commencement of that year to the date of sale. Okay. Then second step, make journal entry for sale of asset. The journal entry is cash or bank account data to asset account. Then third step, ascertain the profit or loss by way of balancing figure by closing furniture account. This profit or loss can also be ascertained by preparing working note for that. So this is the working note. First you take cost of asset, that is 80,000, less depreciation from the purchase of asset to the date of sale. So that means 20, 8,000, 21, 8,000, 22, 8,000. So total depreciation 24,000. So this 24,000 should be deducted from 80,000. So the resulting figure is 56,000. So this is the value just before sale. Okay. If the asset is sold for rupees 56,000, then no profit and no loss. If the asset is sold for more than 56,000, we get profit. If asset is sold less than 56,000, we get loss. But actually here the asset has been sold for rupees 40,000. Okay. So the resulting figure is 16,000, which is to be taken as loss, which is to be transferred to the profit and loss account. Okay. So this is the procedure for doing the problem under fixed installment method. Okay. In next video, let us discuss sale of asset under diminishing balance method. Under diminishing balance method. Till then, thank you very much.